My name is Amy Adams. I'm the Executive Director of the Institute for Biohealth Innovation at George Mason University. Yeah, so the Institute brings together 300 faculty and thousands of students who do biohealth research across many different areas, including cancer, infectious disease, injury and performance, environmental health, and other areas that definitely is touched by the rare disease community. So we have many campuses. We have many of our researchers are in Manassas doing biomedical research. We also have our faculty in public health and other areas in Fairfax, and then the focus on this campus, we have more of our faculty in the policy area and digital innovation. Yeah, so I was connected to IndoUSrare from Harsha. He has been a longtime friend and really a catalyst in this area for the life science community. It's been fabulous to see his company, Jeepa Informatics, expand and grow. And so he introduced us to the IndoUSrare coalition and has been, very, very proud to sponsor the conference these last 2 days. So he is an affiliate faculty member at George Mason. We really value the research and development that he does. Through his platform, he is touching a diverse community of patients, and so we really believe in the technology that he has developed and want to see him succeed, and brings really diversity of thought to our departments. And so he is an affiliate faculty member in our School of Systems Biology at Mason. So this is my first experience in attending a rare disease conference, and one of the things that has been really inspiring and motivating to me is to hear from so many of the patient advocates, to hear their stories as patients, as caregivers, and really explore how can we make a difference through very innovative thinking, really pushing the boundaries of innovation and working together and collaborating, which I know is one of the goals of this conference, is to bring people together to collaborate. One of the things that really made me excited, and I think surprised me as well, is how much patient advocates are really influencing science and really making a difference, talking to the pharma companies, talking to the biotechs, really to make sure that they understand what the needs are of that community, so that new therapies, diagnostics, and other interventions can really be tailored to that community. They are the experts, and we need to make sure that we're listening to them, really even integrating them early in the research process, so that we're developing new innovations that truly meet their needs. Yeah, so it's actually very critical. Having been a scientist myself and working in the lab, you get in the bench, you do your work without truly understanding the need in other than reading publications. So talking and hearing what the individuals affected by these diseases is paramount for us to really push the envelope. And so I would love to see more of this. Harsha has done, and the organizing committee has done an amazing job of bringing the regulatory folks, industry, the patient advocates together to have a real conversation, to answer the hard questions, and really to think about how do we make a difference for these families today and in the future. Yeah, so when Harsha asked if he could host this at George Mason University, I immediately thought yes, really believing in the mission and knowing that when he has an idea, he runs with it, and he really, he's a change maker. He's a catalyst for change. And so there was no doubt in my mind this was a great decision to spend my team's time and effort in working with Harsha and the organizing committee. I want to thank everybody who came here to Northern Virginia and to the university to have this important conversation this week. It's been truly inspiring, and I can't wait to see what happens over the next year.